In the pre-processing parameters window, you can enable the operations to be executed before field image recognition. For example, you can remove horizontal or vertical lines reconnecting crossed characters, delete intrusions and wires, thick, thin, delete small or large blobs, remove boxes and characters separators, perform local deskew, despeckle, and link field alignment to the nearest anchor field. All these operations may be defined by script, too. Managing the OnStartFieldRecognition script event, you can define the sequence of operations to be executed. Also, you can set the conditions under which image preprocessing operations take place.